Hey Milky, do you want to come over to my house for some, like, tea? Sure. I'd love to. I'm thirsty anyways. Your house is right there. I don't really care. Okay, hop on. Okay. Do you have video games again? Yes, your favorite, The Sims Story. Okay, so you wait here. And I'm going to get something. Okay. Ring, ring, ring. I'll be right back. Okay. Ring, ring, ring. Oh, it's a weapons world phone. Ring, ring, ring. Beep, beep, beep. Hello? Hi, is this Marshmallow White Nuffle? I mean Marshmallow Nuffle Bunny? Yes? What's wrong? Yeah, it's your sister, Roxy the Gray Arabian at the Kinsville Academy Park. Like, playground. Yeah, it's an emergency. You have to come see this. What happened? Oh. What's wrong? Where's Roxy? It's okay. She's under this cover. You mean wrapped up in it? Yes. Ow! Hey! I got a phone call. What happened? Whoa. Somebody hurt this horse, Gray Arabian, named Roxy. 10 years old, turning 11. Oh my god. There's my girlfriend. Something happened to my girlfriend. Ah! It's alright. We can take you a lift, all of you. To the hospital, and Roxy will be fine, okay? Don't me. Yourself. It's okay. She'll be fine. Okay. By the way, do you go to college? Bye! Wow. Well, we're going. I'm riding the Nuffle. Sure. Oh, God. Hey, wait for me. Where? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Left! Oh, she's heavier. Ow. Come on. Okay, we're here in the waiting room. Yep, she'll be right fine, okay? It'll be really quick. Okay. Okay. Where are the professionals? Right here. You're looking at it. Okay, so. Alright. Here is what we should do. I'm listening. We should look at her body and see what happened. Okay. Let's just take off this cover. Okay. Okay, so here's what we should do. Yep, we just look at our body, and see what we see. Can we help too? Yes. Okay. Do you only say Turn her body. Okay. Guys, what's now, Miss Clocky? What? I don't think it's anything of her face that's wrong. What do you mean? Look at that leg. Oh my god. Oh. This is not good. Well, I know what we should do. Okay. Okay, I asked for tools, you give me tools. Okay. Bandages. Bandages. Tweezers. Tweezers. Bubbles. Bubbles. Why bubbles? I just like them. Medicine for leg. Medicine for leg. Okay, we're done. We're done. Wait, what? That's it? We're done? What? Yeah, we just have to wrap her leg up. That's it. Alright, somebody get the wheelchair! Wheelchair. Done. Where? I'll go get it. Okay, got the wheelchair. Where? Right here. No. Just put her gently in there. Ow. God. Okay, she's all set. Okay. Okay. Why do you have someone scooter? I don't know. You're Wilkins. Shut up. Good to know. Okay, I'm just gonna... Wait, she needs to wake up. Wait, I have this special cure medicine. Open up. She's not awake. Okay. Wait, I know a special really good medicine to wake her up. Okay. Do it. Hi-ya! Where am I? Nice. I'm not cleaning her poop up. I heard that. Where am I? Oh, I'm at the hospital. What happened? Just a little sore leg. Let's go. Okay, who are the friends, family, or relatives of Roxy? We are. Yeah, we are. Yeah, it's just fine. She's gonna have to stay in this wheelchair for like 2 months. Okay, fine. Like, until December 26th. Wow. So it's just a little sore leg. It's okay. Bored. Good to know. Okay, so yeah. She will be fine. Okay? So nothing to worry about, okay? She's gonna be okay. See what I did there? Like, O, the letter O, and the letter K. So, okay. You'll get it once you're old. Ow. Tony! Hey! Piggy, I'm so gonna kill you guts! Did I just say that out loud? All I heard was guts. Good. Okay, so it's just a little sore leg. If you get her to stand up, she'll be okay. Okay? So, and tell her to take these medicines at this schedule. Okay. Not her family. Here you go. Thank you. Okay. Want me to call Mom? No. Okay, so just like make her stand up. I'll try. Oh, okay. So yeah, she will be okay. Ever heard of that doctor talk? Okay, I think I get it. Okay, so just give her the medicines and cure, and here are some tablets for her leg. Like, she has to, like, eat it, and, like, it will go all the way down to her leg, and where it hurts, and yeah, she'll be fine. Okay, so thank you. Bye.